Understand Handshake. Handshake is a decentralized peer-to-peer P2P network protocol designed to create a more secure and private alternative to the domain name system, DNS. It aims to provide a censorship-resistant and decentralized DNS infrastructure using a blockchain-based system. Familiarize yourself with blockchain. Handshake operates on a blockchain, which is a distributed ledger technology. Gaining a basic understanding of how blockchain works will help you grasp the underlying principles of Handshake. Learn about cryptocurrency. Handshake uses its native cryptocurrency, HNS, for various operations within the network. Familiarize yourself with cryptocurrencies, their functions, and how they are used in decentralized systems. Research Handshake's history. Handshake was launched in 2018 as an alternative to the traditional DNS system. Understanding its background and the reasons behind its creation will provide context for its development and future prospects. Get familiar with DNS. To fully grasp Handshake's purpose, it is essential to understand the domain name system, DNS, which translates human-readable domain names to IP addresses. Understand the Handshake consensus algorithm. Handshake uses a unique consensus algorithm called Proof of Existence, PoE. Learn how this algorithm ensures the network's security and stability. Participate in the Handshake community. Engage with the Handshake community through forums, social media, and other online platforms. This will help you stay updated on the latest developments and gain insights from experienced users. Set up a Handshake wallet. To interact with the Handshake network, you'll need a wallet to store your HNS tokens. Research and choose a secure wallet that suits your needs. Acquire HNS tokens. You can obtain HNS tokens through various methods, such as purchasing them on cryptocurrency exchanges, participating in the Handshake auction, or earning them through staking. Learn about Handshake auctions. Handshake auctions are a unique way to obtain HNS tokens. Understand how the auction process works and the factors that influence token prices. Staking and delegation. Staking allows you to secure the Handshake network and earn rewards. Learn about the staking process and delegation, which enables you to delegate your staking power to others. Understand name registration. Handshake allows users to register and manage their own domains. Learn about the process of registering and managing Handshake domains. Explore Handshake's privacy features. Handshake offers enhanced privacy features compared to traditional DNS systems. Learn about these features and how they can be utilized. Keep an eye on Handshake updates and developments. Stay updated on Handshake's developments, upgrades, and partnerships to ensure you're well informed about the project's progress. Network with other Handshake users. Building connections with other Handshake users can provide valuable insights, support, and collaboration opportunities. Participate in Handshake-related projects. Contribute to Handshake-related projects, such as developing applications or providing support to the community. This can help you gain practical experience and increase your understanding of the ecosystem. Monitor the cryptocurrency market. As Handshake is a cryptocurrency, it is essential to keep an eye on the overall market trends and news that may impact the value of HNS tokens. This will help you make informed decisions when interacting with the Handshake network.